building a Qi field for our beautiful world. Gently close your eyes. Put your hands on your heart and feel your heart. Connect with the 5 essential qualities of the heart: trust, love, openness, gratitude, and true respect. With utmost sincerity, unify with the universe. Unify with all forms of life. Unify with the human family. Share the following best wishes with the world. May everyone go into their heart to find refuge and feel safe. May everyone go into their heart to feel trust, openness, love, gratitude, and true respect. May everyone go into their heart to see beautiful, bright light. May everyone go into their heart to meet their true self. From deep in your heart, wish everyone health, happiness, and growth. From deep in your heart, wish the world peace and harmony. Open your arms to the universe. Unify with the unconditional love and wisdom of the universe. Draw it back to your heart. Place your hands on your heart. Feel the peace and harmony inside. Gently open your eyes.